Gold prices ended the U.S. day session near steady in a choppy two-sided trade this Wednesday. Joining us on the Kitco Gold Report is senior technical analyst Jim Wyckoff. Jim, thanks so much for being back with us.
Hi, Danielle. Always nice to be with you.
So, Jim, it seems the sharp drop in the U.S. dollar index did little to help the precious metal bulls today, and also not helping gold case are crude oil prices, which lost their early gains and are trading near this week's near 7-year low. So let's take a closer look at the charts here, Jim.
Danielle, first of all, let's talk about crude oil. Crude oil has been the feature in the marketplace this week, in a week so far that's been kind of void of major fundamental news to drive the market. So the markets are focusing on crude oil, and the funk that crude oil is in at present is an anchor on many markets, including the stock market, including most of the raw commodity sector, and including the precious metals. Until we see this crude oil market stabilize, see prices start to trade sideways or sideways to higher, we're going to continue to see price pressure in gold and silver and much of the other raw commodity markets.
All right, Jim, and as next week's FOMC meeting comes more into focus now, how much of a game changer can it be for the metals?
Danielle, I think that the past few months, and certainly the past few weeks when we've seen some stronger U.S. jobs reports, I think traders and investors have baked into the cake the very likely Fed rate increase that we're going to see next week. I have said this before in my AM and PM reports. I would not be surprised next week to see a reaction of a sell the rumor, buy the fact scenario, whereas the gold market has been pressured in recent weeks and months by the specter of a Fed rate tightening. And when it actually happens, I think you could possibly see a relief rally, and that's kind of what I think is going to happen.
All right, Jim, on that note, let's get to your market rating for this week. What grade are you giving gold and silver?
Daniela, from a chart perspective, from a technical perspective, on a near-term basis, I'm giving both gold and silver a Wyckoff's market rating of 2. That's firmly in the bearish camp, but not quite as bearish as last time. Looking at support levels and resistance levels for gold and silver, for February Comex gold, we see resistance at 1100. Support at the recent contract low of 1045.40. For March Comex silver, we see overhead resistance at the 1480 level. Solid technical support at the recent contract low of 13,805.
Jim, thanks so much for being with us this week.
Thank you, Danielle. I can't wait till next time. Bye-bye.
And thanks for watching this edition of the Kitco Gold Report. We'll see you tomorrow.